Today I have a Mazda CX-30 and I'm going to show you how to open the hood on this particular Mazda CX-30. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. Let's go ahead and get started. So I'm in the vehicle with the vehicle in park, okay? In order to open the hood on this vehicle, you have to find the latch and release it, okay? I'm gonna show you how to find the latch, release it, and then there is a safety latch that you also have to release on some vehicles. All vehicles may not have this underneath the hood, but some of them may. The other ones may have it on the lever. But in order to open the hood, what you'll do is, I'm behind the steering wheel, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go down here, and you see down here, there is a lever. You see this right here? See if I can get any closer right here. Do you see this? This is how you open the hood. Now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to simply come up here, and I'm going to take this, and I'm going to pull it towards me. You'll hear a click, okay? Did you hear that? That's indicative that the hood has been open, okay? So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to step outside of the vehicle. And I'm going to go around to the front of the vehicle. The front of the vehicle. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to lift it up. But it's not coming up. And you're probably wondering why. Because there is a safety latch in here. And on this Mazda CX-30, the safety latch is right at the bottom. And I'm going to show you that in a second. So what I'm going to do is take my fingers, push it to the left, and then raise it. Do you see that right there? And then once it's raised, I'm going to go ahead and put up the kickstand. The kickstand goes right there on this Mazda. And you see this right here? This is the lever that I'm talking about, right here. You see that? I push it over and then I raise the hood. And that is how you open the hood on a Mazda CX-30. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.